Video series episode 72. I thought I'd come back to Austin and Monty here on the north side and take a look at the creek after we had a rainstorm, an average rainstorm. And right here where you see these power lines going through the trees, of which that hasn't been trimmed in a while. So maybe if someone could contact DTE, because you know I don't want to have to do everything. So you can see where the brush starts and where you cannot cut anymore. And then actually you have the beginning of the creek right here at this tree. And then all of this is just foliage that just keeps on falling into the creek and therefore expands out the shorelines as it gets more shallow and more shallow. I mean, look at the size of this tree, and it's right there at the edge. And then of course you got these entire trees right here that could fall in at any time. So again, the fact that this hasn't been dredged, and like I said, I don't even remember the last time it's been dredged. I know it. I've been in Lincoln Park 21 years, and I know it has not been dredged since I've been here. So, yep, there's an entire section that fell in right there. And if I were to expand this, you can, wow, I mean, it's just all blocked. So, this is a real situation, and thankfully, there was a pandemic and enough rainstorms that that flooded enough basements in Dearborn, and enough people complained to their congressional offices that the staff said, oh my God, we better do something, because that dredging money got appropriated really quick within the House. So you see, if you send enough videos and enough pictures and enough emails and melt down the computer servers and the phone lines of your congressional offices, eventually something actually will come of it. But you know, you gotta really hammer them that hard. So anyway, yeah, I mean, this right here is just a prime example of dredging that needs to be done. Now, back in the day when I used to canoe, if I could get myself a 14-foot canoe, although that's not going to help with the majority of this, I mean, but, I mean, do you really need to see any more of a video than this to see just how bad it really is? I mean, this is a total lack of government responsibility. This is a total failure of government right here. This is what it looks like when you don't hold people accountable, and you have the same people in office and the same power brokers in office at every level. I mean, it's not just a creek. This is a systemic failure of how lousy government is, because everybody's too busy accumulating their own power within office instead of actually doing their jobs.